Okay, question number 13. The density of 10.5 molar sodium hydroxide solution is 1.33 gram per ml at 20 degrees Celsius. Calculate the mole fraction of sodium hydroxide, the percentage by mass of sodium hydroxide, and the molarity of the solution. So in this question, there is no mass of sodium hydroxide solutions given. And what we have is only the molar concentration, that is 10.5 molar sodium hydroxide, and the density. So we need to make assumption. So we can assume that 10.5 molar means 10.5 mole solute per 1 kg solvent. So there is 10.5 mole sodium hydroxide in 1 kg solvent. So from this assumption, we can get information about mole of solute or mole of sodium hydroxide, that is 10.5 mole, and mass of solvent or water, that is 1 kg or 1000 gram. So the question is, what is the mole fraction of sodium hydroxide? So you write the formula of mole fraction of sodium hydroxide. So mole fraction equal to mole sodium hydroxide per mole total. So mole sodium hydroxide plus mole water. So we have mole of sodium hydroxide 10.5. So what is mole of water? So mole of water, we have the mass of solvent. So 1000 divide molar mass of water, 1.1 times 2 plus 16. So the mole of water is 55.49. 55.49 mole. So substitute here, mole of sodium hydroxide is 10.5, divide 10.5 plus 55.49. So the mole fraction is 0.159. Okay, next question. How to find the percentage by mass of sodium hydroxide? So write the formula first. Okay, this is the answer for B. Percentage weight by weight of sodium hydroxide is mass solute, that is sodium hydroxide, over mass of solution times 100. So mass of sodium hydroxide, we need to find mass sodium hydroxide, take mole of sodium hydroxide and times with molar mass. So mole of sodium hydroxide from assumption is 10.5. Okay, times molar mass 22.99 plus 16 plus 1.01. So the mass is 420 gram. So mass sodium hydroxide 420. So what is mass of solution? So mass of solution is equal to mass of solute plus mass of solvent. Solute is 420 gram plus solvent, from our assumption it is 1000 gram. So total mass of solution is 1420 gram. So you substitute into this formula. So 420 gram over mass solution is 1420 times 100. So the percentage by mass is 29.55%. Sorry, it is not 29.55, it is 29.57%. Okay, for C, the question asks about the molarity of the solution. So first, you write the formula of molarity. So molarity sodium hydroxide is equal to mole sodium hydroxide over volume of solution. Okay, in liter. So mole of sodium hydroxide from our assumption is 10.5. So volume of solution, you can get it from density, because formula of density is mass solution over volume of solution. So density is 1.33 gram per ml. So the mass solution from our calculation in previous section is 1420 gram. So volume solution we want to find out. So volume solution is 1067.67 ml. So you substitute here, but the volume must convert to liter, say times 10 power of negative 3. So the molarity of sodium hydroxide is 9.83 molar.